Hello everyone and welcome to How Fix It. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace fan on HP Pavilion Gaming 15. To disassemble HP Pavilion Gaming 15 you will need next tools: Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic tool and tweezers. In the description I'll add link where to buy all necessary tools. Turn the laptop over and remove all screws on the bottom cover. Take a plastic tool and from the top of the case begin to open the cover. I recommend using a plastic tool so as not to damage the laptop case when opening. Disconnect the battery from the laptop motherboard. Disconnect connectors from the motherboard and remove two screws on each fan. If the fan is very noisy or doesn't work at all and you need to replace the fan, you can find a compatible one by this replacement part number. And also in the description under the video I'll leave a link where you can buy new fan for HP Pavilion Gaming 15. Well, that's all. You were on How I Fix It and see you guys next time.